Today we will use the auto sum button to insert the function. Okay. One method was we can type the function by yourself. You can use the is equal to and put the function name and give the range. Second method to insert the function is you can use the auto sum button. Third method to insert the function is you can use the function option. Okay, there are many methods to insert the functions. One is you can type the function. Second is you can insert the function, commonly used function, by using the AutoSum option. And you can also use the function option. Okay, now I'm going to show you again using the same worksheet. You can mark in your books also here. Okay, we are having the same worksheet. I'm increasing the font size so that it is visible to all. Okay, I'm giving it again center align. Okay. You can give the same column size also to all the cells. यहाँ पर column का size सबका even नहीं है. Format, column width, you can give the column size. Okay. Now here we had already inserted a function sum. हमने यहाँ पे formula लगाया था. Either you can type Hanji, now screen is visible. Drishti, is it visible? Okay. Now we are doing the functions. Here we were typing, either we can type is equal to sum bracket and you can give the C4 colon. बेटा स्क्रीन अब तो शेयर है, किसको विजिबल नहीं है?
मैम मुझको
Yes, Angad, is it visible?
मैम आ गया
Guneet?
visible
Okay.
we will discuss it.
Okay, okay. Lakshay, now is it visible? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, keep yourself mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one method was you can type the function here by using the C4 colon I4 end wala cell and press the enter key, right? It will do the total. Second method is you can use the auto sum function. In this editing group, you will find this auto sum function button. Click here, you will find the commonly used functions here. Sum, average, count numbers, max, min. So you can select the cells for which you want to do the sum. Select it, go to auto sum and choose the sum function. It will automatically insert the function. You do not need to type it. You do not need to type the function as we had typed here is equal to sum call bracket, then we select the range. Similarly, you can select this and you can go to auto sum and select the sum function. It will automatically insert the function. Similarly, you can go to this downwards. अब नीचे जाकर यहाँ पर max function भी insert कर सकते हैं. अब जो भी function आपको चाहिए. Auto sum max. So next cell में you will find the maximum value. See, max function has been inserted is equal to max C4 up to C13. अगर आपकी range correct है जो automatically select हुई है, you can press the enter key. I'm going to increase the font size so that you can see it properly. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, I can click here and I can insert the max function so that it will give me the maximum value in the range. Click on max. It will give you the maximum value. It is giving you the range. The selected range is this. If the range is okay, you can press the enter key. अगर आपको range में changes करनी है तो you can give the range here. Type कर सकते हो, changes कर सकते हो. Like this. मैंने यहाँ पर min function लगाना है. I'm using the min function. Now it is selecting one more row, one more cell. ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे min function insert किया. It is including 48 also, जो already maximum value हमने निकाली है. So I can click here and type 13. I want a minimum function up to C13. Now press enter key. So it will give you the minimum value and it will insert the function. One method is using the by auto sum function. Click here, choose the min, sum or average, select, change the range if you want, like this. You can drag it, select both of the cells. You can drag it. So it will apply to all. It will be copied to all like this. You can see. आप फॉर्मूला बार में देख सकते हो हर सेल में रेंज अलग है G4 to G13. Similarly here you can see it is H4 to H13. ठीक है, method is clear. One method was I can type is equal to sum bracket, give the range C7 colon I7. When you type, you have to type the function name as well as you have to select the range. You have to give the range. आपको find out करना पड़ता है starting cell का reference और ending cell का reference. But when you insert the function, it will automatically detect the cell range like this. It is taking from upside. No, I want to have from this side. So I will select this, then insert the function. Okay, clear hai? Okay, now another method is you can use the insert function option. You can insert the insert function option. Formulas tab. Here also you will find the AutoSum option. It is a function library group. Function library group, you have the various categories of the function. Recently used financial functions, logical functions, text functions, date and time functions, lookup and reference, trigonometry functions, math functions, more functions, or first option is insert function. When you click on this insert function, it will open this dialog box. In this dialog box, again, you are having all the categories जो आपकी यहाँ बाहर listed है. Click here, choose the functions. More recently, information, engineering, all the calculations can be done. If we know the accounting, अगर मुझे statistical information है, if I am statistical function मुझे पता है कैसे calculations होती हैं, तो I can use this and use the statistical functions. If I am मैथमेटिकल एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस की अगर मुझे नॉलेज है तो आई कैन यूज दिस. अगर मुझे वैसे पता है देन ठीक है. सिमिलरली आई कैन यूज द फाइनेंशियल फंक्शंस फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द फाइनेंशियल कैलकुलेशंस. तो एवरी डिपार्टमेंट और एवरी टाइप ऑफ फील्ड पीपल कैन यूज देयर फंक्शंस जो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट को सूट करते हैं. बिकॉज एक्सेल हैज अ बंडल ऑफ फंक्शंस, बहुत सारे फंक्शंस अवेलेबल हैं विच कैन सूट टू एवरी काइंड ऑफ पीपल, एवरी काइंड ऑफ फील्ड. So people who are working in that particular field, they can use these kind of functions according to their choice. We are using most recently on all function, or you can most recently लेंगे तो यहाँ पर कुछ functions जो हमने latest use करे हैं वो आ रहे हैं. या अगर आप all पे click करेंगे तो it will give you a list of all the functions alphabetically. You just have to select them. Okay, here some logical functions are also there, date and time functions are also there. You can click here. Suppose I'm pressing S, it is giving me S functions, so I can use the sum function from here also and click on OK. Then it will ask you to select the range of the cells. I click on this button and select the range. Again, I click on this button. It is a long method. Okay. The functions which you are supposed to use, they are very common functions. They are available in AutoSum button. you can use them from here. Okay, clear? One method, you can type the function. Second method, you can use the auto sum button. Third method, you can use the insert function option. Insert function option आपके पास यहाँ भी है formula tab में. And second, I told you already, in the formula bar you can have this insert function button here. As you can see, my pointer is there. I can click here, it will open the insert function button or dialog box. Okay, clear? Now you can mark in your books. आपके books में बेटा command दी हुई है functions के लिए, insert function के लिए, formulas tab, function library group, insert function button. Okay, formula tab, function library group, insert function button. Page number, last page पे using function wizard, page number 22. Page number 22 using function wizard. Formulas tab, functions library group, insert function option. ठीक है, underline it, ये आपकी एक command है. Similarly, on the previous page, यहाँ पर आपके पास using average function and using max function, using sum function. In all the functions, you have the command home tab or formulas tab, auto sum drop down option. Now you can write the groups also. Page number 20 पे देखो, home tab और formulas group दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, दोनों में आपके पास auto sum function है. Here you can see this is the formula tab on the screen. This is a formula tab. This is the auto sum function. Auto sum option in which group? Function library group. Function library group. And in the home tab you can also find this auto sum option in the editing group. So you can write the command as home tab, editing group, auto sum option. Home tab, editing group, group book में नहीं दिया हुआ, लिख लो. You can write it, Himanshi. Home tab, editing group, write it. Group का name लिखो. Home tab, editing group, auto sum option. Second, formulas tab, function library group, auto sum option. So there are two methods to use the auto sum option. There are two methods to use the auto sum function or auto sum option. One from the home tab editing group. Second, formulas tab function library group. Okay, clear? Anji, your second, I'm going to show you a few more functions. Some date and time functions are given in your book. If you want to insert some date and time function, you can just type here is equal to day. Is equal to day and give opening and closing brackets. I'm going to increase the font size. It will give you date. Today. अगर मैंने यहाँ पर टाइप किया is equal to today. It is a date function and use the opening closing parenthesis brackets because it will not have any arguments. यहाँ पर इसके अंदर कोई argument नहीं है. You will have only opening and closing parenthesis. Brackets are also called parentheses. ठीक है, जो brackets हम functions में use करते हैं, round brackets, they are also called parentheses. Okay. Press enter key, it will give you the current date, which is the current system date that will be inserted. Okay. Serial number, it is giving you that. Okay. Next is, आपके पास एक और function था, round function. You want to round the values. Suppose this is 94.57 here. I want to round the values up to without digits. मुझे decimal नहीं चाहिए, मुझे decimal के बिना इसको round off करना है numbers को. तो I can round off the numbers by using the round function. Round. You can give the bracket and you can give the number. किसको round off करना है? That is K4, comma कितने digits तक round off करना है? So if I say 0, तो it will give me the point के बाद कोई भी digit नहीं आएगा. 95, 94.5 था, that is round to 95 because 0.5 था. जैसे अभी 93.14 है, अगर हम इसको round off करेंगे तो कितना आएगा? कितना आना चाहिए? कितना आना चाहिए? 93 को 0.14 को round off करेंगे तो yes
मैम 10
10. How?
मैम 93.10
93.10 नहीं आएगा बेटा, हमने 0 तक लिया, हमने एक भी डिजिट नहीं ले रहे हैं आफ्टर दैट, तो इट विल बी 93. इट विल बी 93. ठीक है, इट विल बी 93. अगर जैसे 94.8 है, अगर हम इसको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो इट विल बी 95 इज इक्वल टू राउंड ब्रैकेट गिव द नंबर कॉमा 0, तो इट विल बी 95. ठीक है, I'm showing you again. You will type it like this. आपका function क्या बनेगा? Round cell value, cell reference, comma 0. So it will round the number. Clear? Is it clear? Okay, now your chapter has been finished. Okay, today we will do the exercise also. And before that, only 39 participants are there now. Okay. Out of 39 also, there may be many defaulters, a long list of defaulters for the first chapter. First chapter का finish किए हुए हमें almost 10 days हो चुके हैं, more than that, right? So I got only, told you yesterday in the group also, I got only 7 to 8 copies. And after sending the message, I got few copies or more, 4 to 5 copies are there. That means more than 30 students are defaulter in this class for chapter number 1. What is this behavior? First of all, explain this to me. Why all of you are not doing work and sending work to me? Please do not give me the names कि yes मैंने भेज दिया. I know किस की आ गई है. ठीक है, I know कि किस की कॉपी मेरे पास आ चुकी है, किस की चेक हो चुकी है, but there are still many students, a long list of defaulters. We had finished the second chapter also, and I had not got the copies only for the first chapter. And it was not much work. There were only a few questions were there you are supposed to do. Only 5 to 6 questions, 7 questions are there, one line answers are there, and still many students had not sent it. Why?
मैम कॉपी भेज दे.
आपको भी पूछना है कि कॉपी भेजनी है कि नहीं भेजनी है, right? Today I want everybody to send me the fair copy for chapter number 1. जिन बच्चों की कॉपी अभी तक मेरे पास नहीं आई है, I do not want to take the names of those students in the class. All of you will send me the copies in the group on my number. ठीक है, अगर आज आपकी कॉपी नहीं आएगी तो कल I will upload the list of defaulters in the group. If you do not want your name in the defaulters list to be shown in the group, all of you will send me your fair copies today. Is it clear? Otherwise, yes, tomorrow I will upload the list of defaulters in the group. Okay? Tomorrow I will upload the list of defaulters in the group. So all of you will send me the copies today. Okay, now come to the exercise for second chapter. Tomorrow we will finish this chapter also, and I will get you will send me the copies by Monday also. Okay? Okay, come to the exercise. Take the correct questions. Page number 23. Which function display the current date? Today, year, or day?
Today.
Okay, correct. Okay, don't repeat the questions, beta. Repeat the answer, repeat nahi karo. Okay, today, A option. Which function displays the minimum value?
Min.
Min.
Min. D option, min. Correct. Which cell reference is an example of absolute cell reference?
$A, $1.
Absolute.
B option.
B option, $A, $1.
$1.
Okay.
A option. Next.
अच्छा, A option क्या है? किसकी एग्जाम्पल है?
Mixed cell.
Mixed
Mixed
reference.
cell.
Very good, Jasleen. Mixed reference. C option.
Mixed reference.
C option. That is also a mixed reference. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 4. To modify a formula,
B option.
use the dash key.
F2.
F2 key is used to edit a cell, whether it is a formula or whether it is a simple text or whether any other simple value. So F2 is used to edit a cell or modify a formula. A range of cell is always separated by colon, semicolon, and slash. Colon. Okay, correct. Colon. Mark it. Okay, next is fill in the blanks. A cell address is also known as reference. Okay. A group of adjacent cell is called a
Range.
range. A range of cells. A group of adjacent cells. Adjacent cells means
Ma'am, which are close to together.
which have the common border, which are close to each other. They have the common borders touching each other. Okay, so they are called adjacent cells. A formula always begins with
Equal to sign.
equal to sign. A dash is a predefined formula.
Function.
Okay. Are you writing in your books? Are you writing in your books with your pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Dash
ma'am.
function returns the largest value from a set
Max.
of max. Correct. Okay. Okay. Rest of the exercise we will do tomorrow. Okay. Rest of the exercise we will do tomorrow. And all of you defaulters जिन्होंने अभी तक copies नहीं भेजी, I am saying it again, send me your copies today. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, tomorrow is Saturday, we will do this exercise of this chapter, and on Monday तक आप मुझे ये second chapter send करोगे, and don't be late this time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.